In this scenario, the technician performs a horizontal aid traverse below a structure and exits onto a second set of ropes. 3 cow's tail lanyards and a second foot loop are required to progress while maintaining 2 points of connection. Ascend to anchors and clip the 3rd cow's tail to the next anchor in the direction of travel. Add a second foot loop to this cow's tail. Unclip the original backup device and attach the cow's tail to the working line anchor. Stand in the foot loop attached to the handled ascender and move the chest ascender from the working line to the cow's tail attached to the working line anchor. Unclip the cow's tail from the handled ascender, then clip the cow's tail and the foot loop into the working line anchor. Stow your handled ascender. Check that the ropes behind you are not fouled and adjust your foot loop and chest ascender height. Begin traversing. In one motion, open the carabiner connected to the cow's tail supporting your chest ascender and move it to the next anchor in the direction of travel. Then sit down in your harness so your weight is supported on your chest ascender. Advance the forward cow's tail to the next anchor. Advance the training lanyard to the next anchor in line, shared with your chest ascender cow's tail. Stand up in the foot loops and move the center cow's tail to the next anchor and repeat the process. Pay careful attention to maintaining 2 separate anchor points at all times. Advance until your forward foot loop and chest cow's tail are on the last anchor point before the rope anchors. Remove your forward lanyard, replace your foot loop with your backup safety device and attach it to the safety rope. Connect your descender as high as possible on the working line. Lock off your descender. Advance your trailing lanyard. Stow your extra foot loop. Keep your backup device as high as possible. In one motion, stand up in your foot loop and detach your chest ascender from the cow's tail. Then sit down into your harness with your weight supported by the descender. Remove your foot loop and cow's tails from the anchors. Check your system and descend.